Hi, this is Michael from Nonstop Coding, and in this video I'll show you how to use hammer cards to learn Japanese that you can get from Play Store. But before we do, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on my latest videos. So as you can see, I have opened my Google Play Store and I have searched hammer cards to learn Japanese, and you will have this list of applications, so choose the first one. And before we install this app, let's take a look at the pictures in here. So this will be the interface, as you can see. So it has this listening test where you need to answer it, and it has this basic 1 to 200. Alright, let's go ahead and install it now. And while waiting for it to complete, I just want to let you know that this application will let you learn Japanese faster with hammer cards. Easy, fun, and free. So you can learn 6,000 plus vocabulary words, and the main features available: faster memorization. Hammer cards uses the unique hammer study system, which tracks how well you know every vocabulary word, so you can learn more words in less time. Fun collectibles. When you study, you can earn collectibles with varying rarities and effects, completely free. Learning a language with hammer cards is completely free. The most useful words: learning with audio. Hammer audio stream is continuous audio track generated from your flashcards, so you can review the vocabulary relevant to you just by listening. Alright, it's done. Let's go ahead and open it, and here it is. So let's get started. And the application is in English. You can change the language in here if you want to. And then I want to learn Japanese. So select the language level you'd like to start with. So for the beginner level, let's start from Hiragana and Katakana. If you already know the basic Japanese, if you already know the Hiragana and Katakana, then you can proceed to the basic. Since I already know some of the Hiragana and Katakana, I can now proceed with the basic. But for the sake of this video, let's start with Hiragana. So here are some of the cards you will learn at this level. Alright, so continue, and then multiple choice. So you have two options here: the method, multiple choice, self-grading. So let's start right away with the multiple choice. So this is A, checked, there, correct, E, there. So you have the option to, if you tap this, you will be able to see this session menu where you can see the cards to learn there. And stop session is where you can want to stop the sessions. So I have 100% correct answers and so on. So this will be the results of your test. So let's go back. When you go back, you will be able to see this. So you have the option to save your progress by signing up, creating an account. And then this one here is where you can change the learning order. There, you can customize it, change the decks, view card there. So you can enable or disable the card types that you want. So if you notice, we enabled most of the Japanese since we're learning Japanese. So you can save or cancel. Let's go back, and then you will see this tab below. So study there. You can choose 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 30 minutes, or no limit. Then your study method, you can choose multiple choice or self-grading. It's up to you. Fast multiple choice. And if you want to go back studying, then tap this start studying right away. And below is where you can enable the decks. So you can customize some of the parts in here. Hammer audio, like this one. You can make it, you can do this like that. So maximum number of cards, you can customize it, and so on. So let's go back to the study tab. Then the cards, progress is where you can see all of your progress there. Badges, if you completed each lesson, then you'll get the badges. More is where you can see this list of information, where you can go to settings. Session limit mode is where you can change this, so minutes to total cards or correct cards, it's up to you. And then you can also self-grading explanation, you can customize it, header stats, and so on. So try to play along with the settings. You can even change the theme if you want to, there, color, bar, or dark. And then you can change the language, change the UI language, keyboard shortcuts, and so on. So you can, let's go back to our study, and then this time let's try the fast multiple choice and start there. E, and this is we, ye, u, ao, and so on. So that's how you use this application. And if you notice at the top, since we have chosen the time limit, so 5 minutes, and we have answered, and we have 100% correct answer. We already answered 25 questions, and the speed is 29, so you will see the information above. So if you notice, the time has stopped because we did not answer it now. So let's continue. There, the time is going, the time is running again. So it's su, and then soku, ta, and so on. So once you are able to complete this, then you will see the results right away, or you can head back to there. So the study session completed, you will see this result. So these are the things that we have completed. So correct answer is 100%. So this application is really helpful for you if you're going to travel to Japan to visit relatives, or you want to go sightseeing. So this application is really for you. So that's how easy it is to use this application. It's really easy to use and very handy, and I highly recommend this to anyone who wants to go to Japan. So that's it for this video, and I hope that you have learned something for today. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.